Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn about the computer system. Look, what is this? This is a computer, and a computer system is one that has the ability to take input, process them, and produce the output. Now, let's know more about this. What we do? We input. How do we input? We enter data through the input devices. Okay, you know the input devices like a keyboard. Okay, and more. So after input, what happens? The computer process and stores, and after that it gives to the output. This is the way to process. Okay, how the computer works, it is the main thing by which the computer process. What we do, we input data, okay, through the input devices. And what the computer do, the process is process, okay, and after that it stores also, and again it gives to the output, okay, on the monitor or through the output devices we get the output. So now we will know about the hardware system. Okay, about the hardware of the computer. Now the definition is the physical component of a computer are collectively called hardware. I said the collectively means together. It is the hardware. Actually, what is these are? These are the hardware. Okay, in the very easy language, we can say which thing we can touch or see, that is hardware. You are looking the computer, monitor, mouse, speaker, and what are those? Those are hardware. Which thing we can touch or see? Those are hardwares. Okay, there are two types of the hardware. What is that? The input devices. Okay, in the input devices, what are the devices? Keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, webcam, mic. So I will teach you in this lesson about the keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner. But here is the light pen also, and I will make you understand what is the light pen. Through the light pen we write also. Which one is a touchscreen board? Okay, we can write by the light pen. What is barcode reader? You are looking here, it is written here barcode reader. What is barcode reader? You go in the mall, and what do? You purchase something, and after purchasing, what you do? You go to the counter for the billing, and the biller person has a gun type machine. What is that? That is a barcode reader, and you see in on every goods there's a barcode. You will see the line black lines are there, and that is the barcode. And from the barcode reader they get the information about details about the goods means the thing. And in what can be the details, I'm making some instant understand about that, like a price, manufacturing date, expiry, and what are the benefits, or means like a sale you see, okay, how much percentage they are waiving. Those are things in the barcode. Through that, the barcode reader, they scan the code, and after that what happens? That processes and give the output. You know what the output comes? It shows the details of the that code. Okay, so I said you the input device. Barcode is uh, input device, and how we are in giving the input from the barcode. Okay, reader, we scan the barcode, that is now it is input. Okay, and through that it processes through the barcode reader, it processes and gives the output. Output is what? The bill and its details. Okay, digital camera, you know, camera, you have seen the camera in the mobile also. That is the digital camera, webcam used for the computer, and the mic, you know, mic about that. So you have known about the input devices. Now there is one more thing is output devices. In the output devices, what are there? Monitor, speaker, printer, projector, plotter. I think monitor I will teach you in this lesson also. The separately I will teach you monitor, speaker, printer. Here is the projector. You have seen in the smart room, in the smart classes, there is a projector. Okay. And the plotter is what? Plotter is a machine by which it's a big printer machine, as you can say, by which it is used for the civil engineering, by which they take out the maps. Okay, they print the map. Okay, now we will go for the input devices. What is this? You know, it's a keyboard. And what we do from the keyboard? It is the most common input devices. I have said you in the beginning, it is the input device. When we are reading the input device, it is the most common input device which has many keys. You are looking here, the function key, shift key, control key, alt key, enter key. These are the home. Look, very much keys are here. Lot of. Okay. Through which we feed input into the computer. We type what we do, it is typing is what we input data, and on the monitor we see it is written. What is that? That is output. Okay, now next one is mouse. You know mouse, about that you have seen the mouse. Okay, a mouse is an input device which has two or more buttons on it. It is used to interact with pictures, programs, and icons on a computer desktop. A mouse is also used to select, drag, and drop objects by pointing and clicking. I think you have used how to use the mouse. As you are looking here in the mouse, it is the one button, the second button, and it is the scroll button. We say right click, left click, and this is the, what is this? Scroll button. Okay, by which what we do? We can drag, okay, we can select, okay, we can draw the picture also, we can click the programs and the icons. Okay, and it is called the pointing devices also. Okay, now what is this? This is scanner. In the printer, now lots of printer has the scanner also. Through the scanner what we do? We scans. Okay, here is the spelling is written wrong. Okay, it is an, actually by mistake it happened. It is a mistake. Hey, don't worry about this. A scanner is like a photocopy machine which copies text or images into the computer from paper. Okay, what we, you are looking the picture here, and what it does, it scans and stores on the computer. The text also, suppose we go for the Xerox machine also, and in that there is also scanner. Look, what is this? This is joystick. I think most of you have used this in your childhood and would be using now also. Basically these is the devices which we have used in our childhood for the playing the game, controlling the car. It is also a remote control. Okay, and this is the joystick. Both are joystick. Okay, a joystick is also a pointing device by which what we do, we point also. It has lever which can move in any direction. Looking this is actually the handle, and it is the called the lever. We can up down, we can move it in any direction. Okay, for while playing the game. Okay, it also has two or more buttons. You're looking here, the lots of buttons are here. Looking, this is the direction button. Looking here, okay, and for the it is used for the playing games. Study it more time. You have I have made you understand. Watch more time it and write in your copy and remember it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.